We got the vise here. The question is, where am I gonna put it? Well, that's right. I gotta go down to the ranch and get a whole bunch of big old timbers to try and set it on top of. And that's an entire chore by itself, which is why when they say that blacksmiths have an easy go of it, it's only if the shop is completely set up. This one obviously out at the ranch, just chasing the truck, trying to go get me a timber for the vise. Out here watching the gates, watching the horses.
Pull the truck forward, or you can go back.
Got the timbers back from the ranch. This is the size of the vise. These are the timbers. They are specifically eight and a half feet long, 8.5 plus. On bolt. You're gonna need a paint stick or something thin enough to fit in between the bar on your chainsaw, a hot glue gun, just pictured here, and a chainsaw. And the purpose for this is that we're going to hot glue this thin piece of wood, you could use plywood or whatever, over the bar, and this will create a barrier next to the jig that separates the saw from doing wiggle cuts. What I've done is I've jigged this up level so that when I run the chainsaw with that piece of wood along it, running alongside the two ends of the jig, it should keep things level and give it a good straight cut. Let's see what happens.